This how to 1 minute gonna teach you how to add Square Payments to Wix website. Follow the step-by-step guide to connect Square Payment to your Wix website. Open Wix and sign into your Wix account. Now click on the website. Select the website where you want to connect Square Payment. Once you are in your Wix site dashboard, scroll down to this left-hand menu and click on Settings. And here click on Accept Payments. And here you will get your business location. Make sure your business location is United States. So click on your location and you have to change your location to United States. Once done, here scroll down and search for Square. If you can't find it here, then click on See More Payment Options and also scroll down and search for Square. If you can't find it, click on Third-Party Credit Debit Card Providers, see Options, and here you will get Square. Now to connect Square Payment to Wix website, click on Connect and click on Yes Switch. And here you will get the instruction about how you can connect Square Payment to your Wix website. So first of all, you have to scroll down and select a reason why you are disconnecting Wix Payments, and then you have to click on Connect, and then you will jump into Square sign-in page. There you have to sign into your Square account, and after that your Square account will be connected to your Wix account. This is how we can connect Square Payment to Wix website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.